everybody, Ale Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com. And guess what? I'm here to give you some more tips and tricks on how to make this vacation awesome. What are we talking about today? We're going to talk about how to rent a wheelchair or a scooter at Universal Orlando. If you or someone in your party group needs assistance getting around the parks, here is everything you need to know about Universal Studios Orlando's scooter and wheelchair rentals. Now, do me a big favor before we get into all that. Hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you can get notified when these videos pop up. Guests are able to rent wheelchairs and ECV scooters at the front of the Universal Orlando dry parks and just wheelchairs in the rotunda area of the parking structure. You do not need to reserve them, but Universal encourages you to call ahead for ECVs. We have included the number in the description. They're on a first come, first served basis. You must be 18 years of age to operate an ECV. Both wheelchairs and scooters have a daily fee. ECVs will require a deposit. Now, if you are going from park to park, you will be requested to get a new chair or ECV once you enter the next park. Show your receipt to gain a new one. We've experienced firsthand this isn't the case on the Hogwarts Express, however, for ECVs, as it takes the train ride with you to the next park. ECVs are not available at Universal Orlando's Volcano Bay. If you have your own ECV or wheelchair, you are of course able to bring them on your trip with you. If you need assistance with wait times, please see our video on using the Universal Disability Pass and how that process works. Okay, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.